Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use collaborations on YouTube or how to invite a collaborator to your channel on the video. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to go to the YouTube studio by clicking on the YouTube studio button, and here we need to start uploading our video. So click on the create button in the top right corner and click on upload videos. Now select the video from your computer. I'll go with this one. Click on open, and now it will upload the video to your channel. Now if we scroll down, we will see a little option with a new badge here named collaboration. So basically now we can just simply click on invite a collaborator, and it says that we are in full control of the video and we will have all the revenue from the video if we have a collaborator or not. So here you need to tap a username of a channel you want to make as a collaborator with this video. So for example, if I want to make a PewDiePie as a collaborator with my video, all I have to do is to type his username here and choose the channel, and now here I can allow him to view analytics of this video or not. I will just do not allow PewDiePie because I don't want it to be. So now you just need to simply create the link, and as you can see, to invite your collaborator you must copy link and share with the collaborator. So just simply go and copy that link, and if you have a PewDiePie Instagram or Twitter, I don't know, anything, you just need to send him a link. He will click this link and accept the invitation, and it will appear as a collaborator on your video. And that is how you can use collaborations on YouTube, how to invite a collaborator. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.